All right, guys, so I did want to take a second and talk about the chain. It is 18 karat gold, white gold plated, really nice design on it. It's a really heavy feel, which I like. Chain is very durable, really nice, sleek design. I really like it. It's stylish, goes with anything. This is the nice 24-inch chain that they have. Different options are available, but I did want to show and talk about this one a little bit. I do like it a lot, so we'll go ahead and get into it a little bit.